I was thinking about the Unity fiasco, and I think it's the best word to categorize it because it is a fiasco. It's nothing less than a fiasco. And I would say that it's come from a place of hubris, but that would be an understatement, I think, on my part. I was like, I didn't care that much because I understand that the industry, the way that it is, there's no one software to rule them all, if I can say it that way. The things like there are thousands of software that are there to be used as game engine, and Unity is not the king of it. Far from that. It's the most used for mobile games, but I think that will change fast from what they did. But except that, I find it funny because gaming is not the same as other industry. The best way I can describe it is that most game company have. I don't talk about the indie now. I'm more like in the double A and triple A, right? But most of those company do have the power to create their own engine. It's just more convenient to use another one, and you can see it from like the most popular game engine. You had Unity, you have Unreal Engine by Unreal, you have Frostbite for EA, you had the Red Engine for CD Projekt Red, who will be discontinued, and you had RPG Maker, and there's like a lot of other game engine that exist. So Unity is not the king here. People did find it more easy to use, but I think this time is done now because they decided to dig their own grave, and they will suffer the repercussion of those choices. But that's a story for another time. Knowing what I know due to the video of Upper Echelon Gaming, you should watch it. It's pretty insightful that Unity did choose to be bought by another company just to try destroying the company competitor in the mobile ad market. That's kind of interesting. Sad, but interesting. But that being said, yeah, it's stupid. Unity did to the game industry what Ferrari did to Lamborghini. They will create the golden age of game engine, and for that, I'm thankful because if there are more game engine, there will be like more people who can create game with new engine, and that would make them more easy to use for the common man, and I think that will help the indie developer, and that's my take on it, I guess. Thank Unity for your sacrifice.